And it was awful out here the way it was. Everybody was scared of it. And they were scared to go help the folks that did have it, afraid they'd get it. And it was very contagious.
I mean, we were more or less confined to the house, and should have been.
Just everybody about it had the flu at the same time.
I can't possibly understand or even visualize the impact that it had on the entire society.
It was very contagious.
The fear was the main thing. Everybody was afraid of it.
Do you remember the church services?
Oh yeah, we went to church.
They didn't ever stop that during this.
Yes, and they stopped. Well, they stopped it for a period of time.
But the school was closed. There was no school.
They had to close up some of the stores.
People just sort of, you think they just figured out on their own that they needed to not gather together?
Yes, yes. They know it well. There was some and he put out the word, that it was dangerous to being around people.
Well, everybody stayed home during this. Nobody didn't have no getting out.
I mean, we were more or less confined to the house, and should have been. I don't mean that it was a legal imposition, but I think we just did it almost voluntarily.
If you loaded a sick person whom you could no longer help and put them in a wagon and take them to Dothan, to a hospital, that chances are that patient would be dead when they got there. Okay, if it wasn't, there would be no room.
Well, I think you've summed it up quite well. I hope it doesn't happen again.
Well, I don't believe it will. That's me and my personal opinion. Now, he could.
I think the only thing I could suggest about that is to be aware that it could happen again. Children need to learn about what could happen. Of course, I'm sure hospitals are aware.
I think people this day and time need to take more in consideration of diseases that are transferred that way.
Now people don't stay at home when they're sick. Unless they get to where they can't go, they go spread whatever they got.
Go to your doctor, get your medicine, go home, be sure you got plenty of food, and stay there.